loaded up the 72 volt, got the shop truck and trailer. We are heading out to Lapeer Dragway. We're on our way.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you are in for the show of the night.
He is about the Tesla, y'all.
Alrighty.
The baby Tesla.
Alright, gotta get this reactant time. Go, 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 go!
That boy got a big old stator in that goddamn navigation.
You wanna race that thing or what?
You're on.
Alright, let's see. You better get going.
Oh, we got a runner.
So long, gay boy.
Alright, finishing up here. Took the old 72 volt down the quarter mile there. We were really just aiming at the 8th mile. Some decent times here, you know. 2 460 foot, 838 in the 330, 39 miles an hour in the 8th. Not bad, 41 in the quarter. So, you know, from the 8th to the quarter, didn't really pick up too many miles an hour. But other than that, just a solid unit. Really happy with the Eco battery. Love these things. So let's put her on the trailer.